So we're going to do a self-portrait or a portrait, and that's a way of visual storytelling. We want to find an angle and create a mood with this portrait. So I don't want to see any straight ahead blank expressionless faces. I want to see the worm's eye view, which is from below, or the bird's eye view from above, or the face kind of off to the side, and the eyes being having an expression, maybe looking over at somebody or looking into the camera with an emotion. Let me show you how we can do it. Number one, you can take your own picture, and there's plenty of props in the classroom for you to take. The second thing you can do is look on Pixabay. Here is some examples. I went girl looking up on pixabay.com, and pixabay.com, I don't know if you remember, is a free website with free pictures that you can download. If you just take any picture from the internet, it could be copyrighted. These are not copyrighted. So here's one that's really cool I like. It is a photograph. It looks kind of like a painting almost, but it's free to download. So I'm going to go ahead and download. So it went down into my computer. Now I'm going to go over here to the Pixlr suite. This is Pixlr.com. You're going to go ahead and sign in on Pixlr.com, and I want you to open Pixlr E. Then you'll push Open Image, and you can click on whichever picture that you really liked. I'm going to go ahead and open that. Now, the next thing you want to do once you're in Pixlr E and you've opened your picture, and Pixlr E is a Photoshop, online free Photoshop like app, and you can really do a lot with it. It's powerful. You can alter a lot of photographs, and we're going to alter this photograph. We're going to make it black and white and posterize it so it will be easier for us to draw. First, we want to crop it. So go ahead, you're going to go ahead and unlock the background. It's locked now. You'll unlock it. Then you're going to choose this crop icon. I'm going to go ahead and move my camera off to the side. I am going to create it perfectly square, and one way you can see that it's square is the width and the height are the same. I'm going to make sure that they're the same, and there you go. I'm going to press enter, and now I have created this square image. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to make an adjustment, and I'm going to say auto black and white. Just going to take the color out of my drawing, and the last adjustment I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, make sure it's selected. I'm going to use this thing called Posterize. Posterize is going to make sure that I only have 5 different values in my painting or my drawing. Here's 3, 4, 5. I'm going to apply it. So that is, I'm going to zoom in and you can see that I have 1, 2, black, I have dark gray, 3, 4, and a kind of a medium tone gray. And that's going to be really important as we grid and draw. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to you're going to go ahead and download this file. We'll go export save, and you need to save it as a JPEG. Alright, the file is saved. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your classroom and you're going to open the grid. You will make a file, make a copy. And you will insert an image. You can do it from your drive, but I'm going to upload mine from the computer. I need to find mine. Here it is. And I'll just insert that. You will probably have yours on your... We'll resize it from the corners. We'll bring that to the back. And now you're ready to grid. And what I want you to do is I want you to draw a line around each specific value. So I hope this makes this assignment seem clear, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with.